We're gonna take this coding challenge, invert binary tree. 90% of our engineers use the software you wrote, but you can't invert a binary tree on a whiteboard, so fuck off. What? Okay, so let's see if we have to fuck off or not. So, for one who new to binary tree, then it is a data structure with each node had at most 2 children, which are referred as the left child and the right child, as you can see from the image here, right? The node have a value 4 and is left child have the value 2, etc. So we try to invert this one, and this is the original, and this is the base model. We need to edit this one and try to run out to see if it passes or not. After we pass the test, we can try to submit it to evaluate cost performance. They already provide us a definition of the binary tree, which is here, right? It contains several instant variables like val of type integer, the left child of type TreeNode, the right child TreeNode, and 3 different constructor. Okay. So our task is swap, for example, 7 to 2, and then 6 to 9, and 3 to 1, and then return the tree node, right? So you want to test the code, then go ahead and try to press the run code. And here you can see that we have the missing return statement because we haven't edited anything. Okay, so let's start. You can see that at first we try to invert the binary tree like this, right? And we start reading from the root. And next we try to swap these 2 values and keep going down until there's no more node to process. So we can use a recursion approach to remember that the recursions have the base conditions or termination conditions. So here we first identify which one is the termination condition. We will terminate if the root node is null. Okay. If the root node is not null, then we keep processing. If the root not null, all right. If it's not null, then we try to swap the left child and the right child. We can swap the reference. Okay, it's up to you. But now we can try to swap the 2 reference of the right child and using the standard swapping variables. So I created a TreeNode named temp. And I save left child, so root.left, and I set the root.left to root.right, and I set the root.right to the temp. Okay, so I have finished swapping 2 child of the root node. Next, I want to go further down. Keep calling the invertTree, right? invertTree, and I pass it here. What should I pass? I pass maybe root.right, and I pass in invertTree again, root.left, right. All right. So the outside the also return the root, right? So let's try to run our code. Okay, so here you can see that our answer match the expected answer, so that's a good sign. But the one last step is to evaluate our solutions, where our code will be submitted and fetched into the unit test. Go ahead and click submit. Okay, so the submission result is accepted. You can click here, more detail to see the evaluations. Okay, it say that you are here, your memory usage bit 30 something of Java subscription. Okay, so not so bad. But I have to tell you that this evaluation is just for referencing only. If you try to reset the runtime and rerun it again, your score may be higher. So if you're curious how to reset the runtime on front, submit, detail. All right, then you can see that now you are here, your memory usage bit 60 something. All right, so this is just not an absolute, okay, so don't worry. As long as your solution is accepted, it should be okay. Okay, so I hope you like this. If you have other challenging problem, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next challenge.